Hey, we're really excited for this summer. We have our deep dive format we're running again. Really, it's a custom course or camp for at least 15 hours. The reason we're so excited about it is we have the most talented team we've ever had leading these deep dives. We have two specialists in machine learning who are master's students and really impressive individuals. And one is interested in medical school, including research and think projects like identifying cancer in X-rays, using artificial intelligence. The other had an impressive internship that was working with image data sets. So think more projects like a smart Photoshop that's touching up images and inserting objects or backgrounds. Last summer we were just blown away by the capstone projects that our summer students made that were college app worthy, really able to combine their interest in coding with their other passions. But beyond the machine learning group, we also have our USACO competitive programming, which is again usually just for high schoolers who have a lot of experience. We're just about fully booked in our deep dives this summer with just 1 to 2 more student slots available. But these kids really love the puzzles that these competitive programming challenges are. And it's a very exclusive group who are able to advance the divisions. So it's a great way to set themselves apart. Um, of course, we're still doing our more traditional coding, beginner, intermediate options, everything. We have some 10-year-olds who are learning Scratch with us this summer who don't excel in a large group camp format. We have middle schoolers who have been doing classes and camps and finally just want to make their own game from the ground up in Python instead of the fill in the blank coding they've been doing this whole time. We have several high schoolers entering APCSA, want to become comfortable with Java coming in. So just a ton of variety. We're really able to adjust to each student's interests and individual needs. But anyway, to sign up, if you have any questions, visit breakoutmentors.com, use the contact form. Thanks.